everyone. Today we're going to discuss on responsible module, which falls under and discuss reflection and get a little deep dive into it. We'll start with the definition and then we'll try to understand when to use it, and we'll go through the process of creating an agent as part of it to understand how it makes the response a lot better. Let's move on to the definition, which is reflection tries to look at its answer, tries to reflect on its answer before sending it to the user itself. So when that happens, it understands the loopholes or the gaps in its answer and tries to enhance it so that the user gets the best out of it. It generally should be used when you're dealing with tricky items like making your agent witty or making your agent humorous, because that requires a lot of iterations, to be honest. So let's start with an example. I've already created an agent that's called witty Twitter post generator. So what it does is it tries to create a clever humorous tweet based on the topic given. And as you can see here is where you have reflection, and once you enable it you can play around with it. So let's say feed on robots. And the drawback with reflection is it increases the latency. Since it has to reflect on its answers, that leads to some amount of delay. As you can see, it's trying to reflect on its answer, and these are the number of changes that it has done. It has added hashtags, it has played around with keywords, it has changed the tone, and here is our final tweet. That's actually funny. And the number of iterations is something which you can configure. If you're using it as part of your own agent, that could be out of the studio itself. So you can integrate this as part of your product. So you have a number of iterations as well as part of JSON. So if you see here, you have max tries as one, which means it generates one answer and tries to reflect on it. If you increase this max tries to, let's say, three, then it tries three versions of the answer. It reflects on the three versions, and then based on that, it gives you the final output. So, but if you increase this number, that's going to make your agent slow. That's a quick summary on what reflection is. Hope this was helpful. Thank you.